I have a whole bunch of mail, so I guess we get right to it. I just came from the mailbox, so I haven't sorted this out. And I haven't marked, most of them are not marked with what's in them. So it's apparently from these guys. That's what the return address says. Oh, it's some TL072 op amps. I think I got 20 of them for $16.89. It's a JFET 40 volt. It's 20 plus, 20 minus. And it goes within a couple of millivolts. The output can go within rail to rail, a couple millivolts. I guess we ought to see what's in them. They'll just be regular 8-pin dips. At least I hope that's what they are. Let's see who made them. Texas Instruments. Well, Texas is marked on the packaging. Well, they are marked Texas Instruments, or at least they have a TI logo. Can't make out the date code if there is one. 0545, the 45th week of 2005. It's another Chinese package. And I don't have a eBay seller page for this, but it's a 150 watt strictly analog electronic load. Now I've built one or two, I guess I built one of these before. There we go. I'll try to do a diagram, bill of materials. And I did build one of these, and I liked it, but I think I can do a better build. See about that. This 150 watt, obviously it's not 10 amps and 72 volts. That would be 720 watts. 150 watt maximum load kit, $5 shipping, but that's the eBay description. Price, shipping, and I got this from Yangcell 584. So this came from good old Aaron, whoever that might be. Certainly knows how to stuff a package. For those of you who follow me, this is a project I'm working on, and I wanted to select the biggest filter capacitor that would fit on this printed circuit board and still have it rated 50 volts. So I found these 680 at 50 volts from a US based supplier, and they were $1 a piece, essentially, $10, $9.95, free shipping, 10 pieces sold by Beeve_7. Now there's two of these, whatever these are. Oh. These are a set of, I guess, 50 3-pin JST connectors. Now, these are 2.5 millimeter pitch, when a 1/10 of an inch, which is what a pitch of a perf board is 2.54 millimeters. So see, it does fit, but I'm not sure a 4 or 5-pin JST will fit. And I wanted these as to mount a remote potentiometer on a project I'm working on. So that's the reason for the 3 terminals. And while I was ordering, I'll bet this one is... Did I order 2 of these? Or is this a 2-pin set? Okay, here's the same thing in 2 pins. And both of these came from the same seller and were virtually the same price. In fact, this is the 2-pin printout. Let's see. $2 shipping. I'll bet I didn't pay $2 for each package. $4.59 for 50 sets, and they came from Newtown Shop. I could not find either this tracking number or this number. This package came a couple days ago. So I truly have not a good idea what it is. It's actually an Amazon purchase. It's a bag inside of a bag. And okay, for those of you who follow, I've been using these little perf boards. I have a reason. And I can't tell you what they cost because I didn't expect them until next year. So in keeping up with my construction of mindless, I was going to say do nothing, but you'll see why I laugh. I've been putting together simple kits just to kill time during this virus. I bought 2 of them. So the bottom, I'm going to call this the bottom of the box, is marked like that. Please save this label. You'd think it was a mattress or something. I'm going to open the other side since it's got the bulge on it. Uh-oh. Looks like I should have opened the other side. Do they pre-charge this stuff when it leaves China, or what? Is this Chinese static? Or just good old Pennsylvania wintertime static? Where's the Wimshurst machine when you need it? I guess it's not a kit. I'll just give it to somebody for Christmas. You can tell what it is. I saw this on eBay. And it's described as a useless box, turns itself off, fully assembled, real kit. Free, $15 from this guy here. Now, if you don't know what a useless box does, there's actually a whole website dedicated to the useless box. I used to buy these as kits. So this is a package from China. I'm keeping up with my mindless kit building. This is pretty nice. Translucent sheet. A black perforated sheet. Oh, it's a translucent sheet that has some cutouts in it. Here's a translucent sheet that is just got 4 holes in the corner. And this is apparently a sheet for a bunch of surface mount LEDs. And on the back you can see we have the surface mount. Looks like 3 surface mount components and probably a surface mount. I don't know what that is. And a surface mount jack for power. And this is maybe a touch on off pad. Bag of components, including this many LEDs. And what we have here, this is the eBay seller page for the light display. And although it's available in colors, I believe I probably just got a single color. Probably white, but maybe all blue, but not mixed colors. $22, free shipping. Here's the eBay seller information. And it's a USB powered display broken down by frequency, I assume. Anyway, here you can read some of this. It's not offered a choice here. Apparently, some sellers offer a choice between white or blue or red and green and blue. And since all of my surface mount LEDs are on one big continuous tape feed system, I assume they're all either white or blue.